Namaste children, welcome to today's session. And today class we are going to learn how to multiply different types of algebraic expressions. Like how to multiply binomial with binomial, monomial with binomial and binomial with trinomial. So let's see how to multiply the different types of algebraic expressions. Here we have one example from exercise 9.4 third bit. They are asking to simplify. Simplify it. If any product, if any addition, subtraction possible, simplify it. Here we can see a plus b into c minus d, binomial with binomial, we have to multiply. Then a minus b into c plus d, we have to multiply binomial with binomial. Then 2 into ac plus bd, 2 single constant is also one term, we have to multiply monomial with binomial. So we need to multiply two binomials, again two binomials, again one monomial with binomial. Instead of doing all this at a time, first we simplify this first part, then we simplify this part, then we simplify this third part, then at last we combine all together. Solution, I am taking only this first part. First let me take a plus b into c minus d. First multiply this part. How can you multiply beta? Binomial into binomial. Take the first term of first binomial into complete second binomial c minus d we can write. Next, take the second term of first binomial along with before symbol plus b and write the second binomial c minus d. Now it is like monomial into binomial. Multiply monomial with first term a into c, different variables. Write them as it is product. Now multiply monomial with second term. First multiply symbols. Plus bracket means into beta, plus into minus. Now multiply constants, no constant. Now multiply same variables, no same variables. Then write the different variables with product. A into d or a d can write it. Now multiply this both, plus into plus b into c, different variables, bc only. Now multiply this both, monomial with second term, plus into minus, b into d, different variables. Write them as this BD product. Now we can write here AC minus A into D, I can write AD plus B into C BC minus BD. By first part, by simplifying, I got this. Next, we'll simplify second part. A minus B into A plus D. Yes, this I simplified here. Let me simplify this part, which is A minus B into C plus D. Now we have to multiply binomial with binomial. Take the first term into complete second binomial c plus d we are trying. Now take the second term minus b and multiply with complete second binomial. Yes, again we need to multiply monomial with binomial. Multiply first terms plus into plus a into c, different variables, select them with product. Now multiply monomial with second term beta, plus into plus. What next? Multiply constants, no constant, multiply same variable, no same variable. Then multiply different variables, a into d, ad, write them with product. What next? Multiply monomial with binomial. Yes, now first term multiply with first term, multiply symbols, a plus symbol, minus into minus. B into c, we can write bc. Now monomial is multiplied with second term. Minus into minus. B into d, different variables, dt only we can write. Any like terms here? No more, no like terms. Now similarly, let's simplify this third part also. What is third part? Better 2 into AC plus BD. AC plus BD, close the bracket. Monomial with binomial. Monomial is multiplied with first term. 2 into AC. We can write 2 AC. All different only. We write the product. Monomial is multiplied with second. Plus into plus. Multiply same variables, no same variables, no constants. Only one constant is there. 2 into BD, all different there. We can write all with product 2 BD. Yes. Like I divided like 3 parts. I simplified all 3 parts. Now we'll do all together again. Now I am taking this question as it is complete as it must be. A plus B into C minus D. Next plus A minus B into C plus D. Next we will write plus 2 into AC plus BD. Now instead of this part, we can write this This part I got from here beta. AC minus AD plus BC minus BD. Keep it bracket. Again we have plus symbol, plus symbol. Now instead of this, we can write A minus B into C plus D. What is the product of A minus B into C plus D? We got here. Just you can write in terms of bracket. Mean inside the bracket, please. AC plus AD minus BC minus BD. Then what next? We have plus symbol, plus symbol. These two into something we multiplied here. What we got? Write in brackets even this also. 2AC plus 2BD. And here the important thing is, by simplifying this, I got this answer. Make sure that the result should write only in bracket. Inside the bracket, we can write bracket compulsory. But because this before symbol is applicable, this all the terms. But if you not keep the bracket, this before symbol will take only first term now, then it will go wrong. So because of that, my suggestion, after that operation, by simplifying this, whatever you got, write in brackets. Do the same thing here also. Write the plus symbol. After that, by simplifying the result, whatever you got, write in brackets. Why? Because here plus symbol, okay. Suppose minus symbol means should multiply each and every term. So keeping the bracket is important here. Now before any symbol here, no symbol. Before any symbol is there, multiply with the before symbol and open. No symbol means directly open the bracket. Let me write now AC minus AD plus BC minus BD. Now this plus symbol we can multiply each and every term. Plus into plus, plus AC. Now plus into plus, plus AD. Plus into minus, minus BC. Plus into minus, minus BD. Sir, same I got no sir, then why bracket plus symbol? Because of that we got same. Suppose minus means it will change. Because of that keep bracket. Plus into plus, plus 2AC. Plus into plus, plus 2BD. That's all. But at last, the result must be in simplest form. Identify the like terms and simplify. Any like terms? Here I can see AC term, AC term, AC term. Yes. We can see same variables AC and same power 1. No coefficient you can take here 1. No coefficient you can take here 1. 1 AC plus 1 AC, 2 AC. 2 AC plus 2 AC. All together we can write. Let's get all the like terms together. AC plus 2AC. Just I am trying to write the like terms together. Next, any like terms beta? Sir, here you can see AD term. More I can see AD term. That's all. These are the AD terms. Plus minus AD plus AD. Let me write even these two like terms also together. Minus AD plus AD. Now think about more like terms beta. Sir, you can see here BC one like term and you can see BC one like term. Plus BC minus BC write together. We will write here plus BC and minus BC. Next beta, any like terms? Minus BD plus 2BD. Even this also we will write together. Minus BD, even this also minus BD. Okay. I'll write down beta, place not sufficient here. Minus BD plus 2BD. Plus 2BD. Yes. Minus BD plus 2BD. With that, we completed all the terms. Chalo, simplify this now. All this having same symbol, which is plus symbol. So, addition. No coefficient 1. No coefficient 1. All they have same symbol plus addition possible. 1 plus 1 plus 2. 4 AC. Next. No coefficient 1 beta. No coefficient 1. Both are like terms. Same variable AD, same powers 1. So, plus minus AD plus AD. Both are cancelled. Next, plus BC minus BC, both are cancelled. Like plus 5 minus 5, 0. Similarly, plus BC minus BC are 0. Minus BD, we can write minus 2BD. Minus 2BD we can write. What next? We have plus 2BD. Now 4AC. So even these both also like terms are same variable BD and same powers 1. We can simplify. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Yes. What is the answer? 4AC. Hope it is clear. So when we have like this lengthy algebra expressions, instead of doing all at a time, just you can take one product and simplify it. Then after that, you can submit in that and write the like terms together and simplify it. Okay, children, let's see one more example based on multiplication of algebraic expressions. Here we have binomial and we have trinomial. First, multiply binomial with trinomial and simplify with this if any like terms are there. Solution. First, let me simplify this part. Binomial into trinomial. First, I want to simplify this part. After getting the result, we'll simplify all at a time. First, I am considering only this part. So first, let me take 1.5 into x minus 4y, which is multiplied with 1.5 into x 4y plus 3. Binomial is multiplied with trinomial. First, I multiply this part. Then, after getting the result, we'll simplify with that. Binomial into trinomial. By multiplying binomial into trinomial, take the first term of binomial, which is 1.5x, multiplied with a trinomial 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Then take the second term of first binomial minus 4y, multiplied with a trinomial 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. We can multiply. Now see beta, monomial we can multiply with trinomial. Monomial we can multiply with trinomial. Now multiply this both. First multiply constants. 1.5 into 1.5. We can see 2.25. Now multiply same variables. X, same variable, and the power is obtained from sum of the powers. 1 plus 1, 2. Now monomial is multiplied with second term. Multiply constants, symbols first, plus into plus. Now multiply constants, 1.5 into 4, 6.0 we can write. Or we can write 6. 1.5 into 4, you can see better here. 1.5 into 4, 4 5 is 20, 0 2. 4 1 is 4 plus 2, 6.0. 1 digit before point now, 6.0 we can write 6 also. Yes, 6 different variables, x into y, write them as it is. Next. First term multiplied with last term, 1.5 into 3, symbols first, plus into plus, 1.5 into 3, multiply, we can see there 4.5. Now variable is only one, which is x. Now multiply this both, monomial with first term, monomial with second term, monomial with third term, minus into plus, minus 4 into 1.5, you can see there 6. Y into x, different variables, write the product, xy or yx, I am writing in order. Now monomial with second term, minus into plus, minus 4 into 4, 16. First multiply symbols, then constants, then same variables, y into y, right, only one y, and power is obtained from sum of the powers, 1 plus 1, 2. Now monomial is multiplied with third term, minus into plus, minus 4 3 is 12 y we can write. Only one variable y, I wrote y. Now simplify very like terms. Any x power 2 term? Not there. Xy term not there. X term is there. Yes. Again here plus 6y minus 6xy. Both are like terms. Plus 6xy minus 6xy. Both we can do cancellation. And remaining terms 2.25x square plus 4.5x minus 16y square minus 12y. Yes. It is simplest form only. Now this we can substitute here all together to simplify. Now I am taking the question which they gave, 1.5 into x minus 4y. Next 1.5 into x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. See better, just I am taking the question as it is. Now this we already simplified. Instead of this what we can write? Whatever the result we got, you can write by simplifying. I got 2.25 x square plus 4.5x minus 16y square minus 12y minus 4.5x. Next plus 12y. Now simplify very like terms. Any x power 2 term not there. We can write 2.25 x square. Next, any x term is there, plus 4.5x minus 4.5x. Both are like terms. We can cancel plus 4.5 minus 4.5. Next, minus 16y square Next, minus 12y plus 12y, both are like numbers. That's all. So this is the result. Hope you understand how to multiply different algebraic expressions. It may be binomial with binomial or binomial with trinomial. Just multiply each term of binomial by each term of trinomial and simplify. If any like terms are there, like this you can simplify. Hope it is clear, everyone. Based on this knowledge, from exercise 9.4, third bit, you can complete. That's all from my side. Thank you. We'll meet next class.